Stop doing pull-ups like this, you're wasting your reps. If your pull-ups don't feel right or you're not seeing progress, give me just 2 minutes and I'll fix your form completely. Let's get into it. First, your grip is everything. Use an overhand grip with your palms facing away from you. Don't just hang by your fingers, wrap your hands fully around the bar. Your thumb can go over or under, whatever feels stronger. Pro tip: imagine you're trying to crush the bar. This activates your grip and gives you more control instantly. Now, let's fix your body position. There are 2 powerful ways to do pull-ups: straight body and arched. In the straight body version, keep your body tight and aligned. Bring your legs slightly forward and stay controlled. This is perfect if you want to progress into harder moves like one-arm pull-ups. It mainly targets your lats. Next is the arched style. Lean back slightly, open your chest, and let your legs move a bit behind you. This version hits more muscles across your entire back, giving you a fuller workout. Don't choose one, use both. Mixing these styles will give you the best results. Pull-ups are one of the most effective exercises, so make every rep count. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more simple fitness tips.